What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today's a big day. We're gonna go pick up the Gladiator. And it's snowing because it's Canada. It always snows. God, I wanna go to the beach so bad. We're here, Proform Auto tent. The Jeep's inside, and I gotta tell you, I think this is one of the most expensive Jeep wraps I've ever heard of. We've wrapped every single inch of this thing. If there's paint, it got wrapped. If there's, it got wrapped. And not in the traditional sense. It has paint protection film on it, and it's pretty awesome. I love the color so much, I didn't want to take away from it. We just did some subtle highlights for now. Maybe later on, we're gonna do something crazy, but come check it out. Tell me what you think.
We took the vents out because the pattern with the vent cut comes up to the top edge here, but we want to cut down the inside edge there, get a little bit tighter, more invisible line on this one.
If you're wondering what he's doing, so am I. Yeah, I've asked, he won't tell me. All right, that's a wrap. He's all done with it. So, tell us what you did.
We have Exoshield by Alchemy. It's windshield protection film. We showed, I think, in the first video.
Yeah, we talked about that in the first video for sure. And then we did some special tent.
We put Avery ceramic film on all the glass except for the windshield for heat rejection more so than anything.
For all y'all back home in the States and the South, remember when your legs sizzle? When you get in your cars in direct sun, middle of the South, middle of summer? It sucks. This stuff is supposed to make that stop. So hopefully it does. I'm excited. We got leather inside.
Yeah, we'll do it. There is almost 200 square feet of Stek Dyno on this Jeep Gladiator JT.
Okay.
Probably, well, for sure the most paint protection I've ever done on a Jeep, for sure. So we have every painted surface on this Jeep except for the very top of the hard top is covered with Stek Dyno. So marker lights, headlights, hood, grill surround, everything like we said in the original video. Fenders, even our hinges are wrapped with our Stek Dyno.
Nice.
Hinges on these Jeeps are terrible for getting the rock chips on the front edge of these hinges.
Awesome.
So
then there's our
cab corner is done.
Custom lettering that they did here in-house. That's the Damascus, right?
Damascus steel is the print that we put on the inside of the inset of the Let's Go logo.
And you use that on your printer?
Yeah, we printed that on our HP latex on 3M.
Cool.
Printable silver. Yeah, everything right to the back corner, wrapped around the edges. A lot of this was patterned by us. We didn't have patterns for the back end of this Jeep available yet. Maybe somebody else does, but we had to make them.
You want to explain to everybody what this is? Because I think that's a fun short story.
What's that?
The Ruined by Vinyl?
The Ruined by Vinyl is a comment that somebody made online to...
Being nasty.
To a fellow whose cars that we wrapped, that we ruined them by vinyling them. So I thought that was a great tagline, so we took it over.
I think it's awesome.
Yeah.
And then show everybody this hand-done piece in the back. Like knifeless tape.
Yeah, so we used 3M's design line and just laid in this 1/4 inch reveal, I guess, on the gold.
But there's gold underneath here.
Yeah, so we laid in a full piece of gold from the body line to the body line, and then over top of it again with satin black, and then over top of it again with the printed Jeep logo, again with the Damascus steel on our 3M silver metallic printable vinyl.
Awesome. So pretty much there's nothing on here left that isn't protected, right?
Pretty much
Okay,
everything.
So I can't screw this up. All right, guys, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or if you want to get any information from Delaney, I'm going to put it in the drop box below. Also, you're going to see a bunch of other videos coming from Delaney and myself here pretty soon, where we're going to be out in the Gladiators having fun with the families and yeah, hopefully getting muddy, hopefully having some fun. All right, we'll see you guys next time.